struggle with irregular cycles? Do you know when your last period was? Well, let me give you a simple tip that can help you along your journey. This is pineapple juice. Pineapple can help shed the uterine lining. So I want you to consider incorporating this into your diet if you are struggling with irregular cycles. Now, in addition to this, there's another really simple wellness acupressure tip that you can do. And I actually want you to follow along with me for the next 2 minutes. And this is part of our 30-day course in helping you to regulate your cycle. This acupressure point is done by simply putting the two fists together, and on the medial aspect of your hand you can go ahead and apply friction just like the way that I'm doing. And by doing this, it can stimulate the uterus to shed and inducing a period. So what I want you to do is I want you to do an acupressure point in our 30-day YouTube course. You can subscribe to the channel and like our videos, and you can pick any one of the acupressure points, any one of the 30 that we present. And I want you to choose one and do one couple minutes, couple times a day. You can vary it every day, but by doing this acupressure, what you are doing is, number one, you are balancing the hormones in your body to create a more optimal environment to create a cycle. Number two, you are increasing the chances of ovulations, which is going to trigger a period. And number three, acupressure is so relaxing. It can help reduce cortisol levels so that there's more available hormone for the balance of estrogen, progesterone, FSH, and LH to happen in the body. So again, pick any one acupressure point off our 30-day YouTube course and do it a couple minutes, couple times a day until you get 3 consistent cycles. And then you can incorporate the foods that we have said, such as the cinnamon tea or the pineapple or the ginger tea or whatnot. And then when you are done with 3 consistent cycles, you can stop and enjoy that wellness in your body. Now, of course, stop when you are pregnant, and of course, work with this along with any recommendations that your doctor may give. I wish you all the best on your wellness fertility journey from your acupuncturist friend, Anita Chakravarthy.